Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is Daphne, and today I have another exciting video for you guys. So as you can see, my sweet husband bought me some flowers this weekend. They are really pretty. The roses are so gorgeous, but I don't want them to go to waste. But we all know this is gonna die in about few days. So before that happens, so I was thinking, what could I do to preserve these flowers? I have seen a lot of videos like, put it in a resin or silica gels, but I just don't have the money and the time to do that. So since I'm a skincare junkie, I decided I will make a rose water. So why did I choose rose water? Because rose water has been used for thousands of years. It also helps to soothe skin irritations, or it also reduces skin redness, and also it helps prevent and treat infections on your skin. It is also good for your hair. It also contains antioxidants, which can help protect cells from damage. So it has a lot of benefits. You can search that on Google if you want. But here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to be prepping my roses. So I'll remove the petals from the stems. I've used 6 roses here on this tutorial. And once you have your desired amount, you can use more than 6 roses. It's up to you. But you gotta make sure that you clean the petals with tap water to get rid of any dirt or bugs. So what I'm using here is the simmering method, because this is the easiest and the quickest way to make rose water. And also don't put the petals that are already withered. Like here, I'm not including it in the bowl. I'm just using all the fresh and just gathering all of them. Yeah, that's half a dozen of rose petals, all fresh and clean. Then next, prepare a pot or a saucepan or whatever you have. Just make sure, of course, that it is clean. And I first start by placing all my rose petals inside my pot. And then turn the burner to medium, and then I will be adding half a cup of water, or just enough water to cover the roses. If you put more water, it will dilute the rose water. So we wanted to achieve the red color, or somewhat pinkish color, just so that we can have more effect from the rose water. So just bring the water to a simmer, and once it starts simmering, you have to cover this. So this is the only cover that I have available. And then I find a ramekin, and I just place it on top of the roses, because the roses have this buoyancy and it keeps on like going up. So to make sure that the roses will be boiling, I place the ramekin on top, and then make sure that the rose petals are submerged into the water, so that once it simmers, all of the extract from the rose petals will come through, or will boil. So yeah, just cover it and leave it on for 15-30 minutes. Here we are checking if it is ready. So as you can see, we have already achieved that red color or pinkish color, but it's really red in the camera. So yeah, so I think our mixture is ready. So we are gonna strain the mixture using a strainer or a mesh cloth, whatever you have in there, to separate the petals and our rose water. And once you are done, you can discard the petals. And here I have spray bottles that I got from Amazon. I have 5 bottles that I have sanitized, and also a funnel, so it will be easier for me to transfer the rose water from the cup onto the containers. Just wait for it to cool down, and then you can transfer it onto the containers, and you can keep these containers in the fridge for more than a month. You can use them for more than a month. Spray it onto your skin or your hair, and there you have it. This is our rose water, and thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY videos like this, and I'll be seeing you again next time. Have a good one, guys. Bye.